So when we first started looking into the system, we had to fill in a data impact assessment as you do with your GDPR. And one of the things we really closely look at is safeguarding. Further Space Learning did, when they spoke to us about the system, was talk about the safeguarding systems in place. They spoke about the fact, because students are responding and the AI responds to them, that actually if any of the students are speaking about anything that they shouldn't be, that there is a flag system that then comes to us so that we can act on it appropriately. Because this can be used outside of school by students in their own home as well. And that safeguarding system isn't just when they're on school site, but whenever they use the system off-site as well, so we can address any concerns there. And the other big one, as we know, is things around open AI systems. But Third Space Learning is a closed AI system, so we're not going to find students' voices, data, information floating around on the internet.
Because we did like 1 hour session where we explained how this was going to work, and I said, listen, it's closed AI, you can't talk to it like you talk to ChatGPT. And they went, watch me. And then they're like, Miss, Skye's not responding to me. And I'm like, stop asking any questions, it's not going to answer. It just loops back around. It just assured me really that they were going to stay on task. And that meant I could then assure the parents. The scary bit about AI isn't there in this system. It just doesn't exist.